How to fix Sephora app not working issue. Well, if your Sephora application is not working, there are a few things that you need to try out first. Now, check your internet connection, make sure your internet is not the issue and that your internet is working fine. The other thing that you'll have to keep in mind is that if you're using any VPNs and such, you want to disable them. Also, if you have made sure that the ISP or your internet service provider or internet connection is not the issue, second thing is to check for the update. Head into your Play Store or App Store looking for Sephora app and make sure to update to the latest version. If there is no any updates available, you can force the update, or even if the update is not working, you can try at this step. If you're using iOS, you can simply reinstall the app. But before reinstalling the app, you want to simply head into settings, then head into general, head into iPhone storage and find the Sephora app first. So under it, you want to proceed to offload the app. Once you do this, if it still doesn't fix the issue, then you can reinstall the app and restart your device and that should fix it. If you're using Android, you can clear the cache of the app first and check if the issue is fixed. If not, you might as well reinstall or clear the data. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.